So over the last decade, I have started several side hustles that have turned into passive income streams and has generated millions of dollars online. Now, I'm not saying that to brag at all, but I am a huge fan of starting side hustles, but not the kind that you might be used to hearing about where you have to trade time for money, like Uber drivers or pizza delivery. Now, nothing wrong with that. I respect that. And if you want to just earn some extra cash, definitely you can do that. I personally like to think a little bit differently about the side hustles that I'm starting and really wanting to know that they have more potential to grow and make more money, but more importantly, that have passive income streams that can be generated for life. So the main reason why I wanted to shoot this video was to give a different perspective on side hustles and really share with you what I would do if I was starting over today on creating a side hustle, but then from there, building it into something a lot bigger and also something that could be sold potentially for 6 or even 7 figures. So the way I look at it is starting a side hustle can be like investing in a stock, but you're actually investing in yourself and you're also able to build an asset, something that can earn money now, but also can continue to give you the dividend like a stock. Now, I'm not going to share with you how to do day trading or anything like that because I'm not about that. This is going to be a side hustle that you can turn into a full-fledged business and something that will provide passive income. So with that being said, let's dig in. So the very first thing that I would do is I would focus on building an audience. And there's a way now that you can build an audience. You're watching this right now on a platform that you can build an audience. And that's really where I would start, is on YouTube. And if you build up that audience and you start to get views, we can immediately start to monetize that content now. But there's so much more that we can do with it. So don't just think that I'm saying start a YouTube channel and start making money. There's a lot of other revenue streams that are passive that come from building that audience. I'm going to share that with you in a little bit. But YouTube just announced that they're actually making it easier for YouTube creators that are building audience to monetize. It used to be 1,000 subscribers and then you had to have 4,000 watch hours. But now they just announced it that you only have to have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours over 12 months. And then as soon as you get to that point, which won't take that long if you pick the right niche, you are going to be able to start monetizing. You're going to be able to turn on your first income stream. So your first passive income stream from building your audience is this right here. And that is turning on YouTube ads. And once you do that, you're going to get paid, but as you grow, as you get more views, your income will also increase. So that's the cool thing about this passive income stream. All you need to do is upload videos that people are going to watch, they're going to get value from, and then YouTube is going to pay you. So think about that for a minute. You upload a video, people watch it, and you get paid. And the crazy thing is you might upload a video today that doesn't get a lot of views, and 3 months from now or 6 months from now or even a year from now, it starts to get traffic and you will immediately start getting paid for something you created a long time ago. So you might be saying, Scott, well, how is this a side hustle? Well, really what you're doing is you are starting to create videos, which you can do immediately, and then from there uploading and start to go for the requirements to monetize. And once you do this on the side, maybe you do 1 video a week for a little while, then you can start reaping the benefits of those views. So just to be transparent with you, because I want to give you a real example, this channel right now, at the time of this recording, is making anywhere between $4,800 all the way up to $5,700 from the views that we're getting. Now, the other reason why I want to put that in there is because I want to go back and watch this video a year from now and see where we're at then. But that is the first revenue stream from a YouTube channel. Like I said, there's a lot more that we're going to be able to do with this audience, and we'll talk about that here in a second. So the very first thing to get started with this side hustle is to choose a niche. What is something that you enjoy talking about, something that you might be good at, or something that you're just interested in, or maybe you have a passion for? Is there something that you could create videos about? Are there channels right now that you're watching that you're into because you're obsessed with maybe a certain sport, or maybe it's a certain activity? If that's the case, then why not create your own channel of something that you're interested in or that you're passionate about? So that's where I would start. I would look and see what I'm interested in, what I have a passion about, and I would start a YouTube channel and start posting videos. All right, passive income stream number 2. This is called affiliate marketing. So if you've never heard about affiliate marketing before, you're going to be blown away because this income stream is happening through you recommending other people's products. And Amazon is a great example of this. You will get paid a small commission for every single person that clicks on a link of a product that you leave maybe in your description on your YouTube channel, or maybe one that you mention. So they are going to give you a percentage of that sale. So just to give you an example, check out what Matthew Peach did here. The Crate Craze, I hacked it. This has got 105,000 views on it already. And then if we look down here, this is where you can find all of his plans on his Etsy shop. Here, he has a Patreon page where you can donate and give him a tip. And then down here, we have all of these, which are affiliate links. And if you buy through any of these links, he will get a commission. So that's what it looks like to do affiliate marketing. So now that you're creating videos, if you have products that you have used or ones that you're interested in and you're going to review, that's a great opportunity to talk about it or even do a dedicated video about it. And that's where you can earn that affiliate commission. And there's nothing easier than collecting those affiliate checks because you're not really doing anything other than showing up on video, recommending something, and then someone will take your advice because through video, we get to build a relationship with that person, and then they are going to buy through your link. And you don't have to deliver anything. All you need to do is collect the check. Now, over the years, I have collected over $1 million in affiliate commissions, and I even have some right now that I recommended years ago. I'm talking 7+ years ago, and I'm still collecting a check. I have one right now that I can think of off the top of my head that's generating $750 per month, and I haven't talked about that product in over 7 years. So imagine that. You created a piece of content years ago, and you're still collecting that passive income. It's pretty awesome. All right, passive income stream number 3 is creating your own products. Now, this is where people would say, well, I don't know how to make my own products, or I'm not really going to be able to do this in the future. You don't have to really worry about that as of yet because you could do the first 2 things that I just said immediately, but this is something that you'll graduate towards. So let me give you exactly what I would be looking at to create my own products. So the very first thing is using other platforms that already have traffic and already are selling products with people that are searching to buy things. An example would be Etsy or Amazon. So I would personally start with Etsy because, well, it's an easier platform to get set up and get started. And there's a tool out there called Everbee. And that tool allows us to see what products are selling in our niche, how much demand it has, and if we could create our own version. So that tool is called Everbee, and I am an affiliate for it. And if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and see it here on the screen, or you can look at it in the description, or you can see it in the pinned comment. You see what I just did there? That's how you promote a product that you believe in, that you use, and you can also earn a small commission. That was pretty sneaky there, wasn't it? So now the second thing, how do I create the product? Well, there's a thing called print on demand. This is where you can create designs. Now, if you're not a designer, don't worry. You can actually hire people to create designs for you, or you can use AI nowadays to create designs. But really, it's just doing the first part and figuring out what's already selling and then figuring out a way to create it. But print on demand, also known as POD, is where you create the design. They will take that design and they will print it on whatever product that they have in their catalog. And there's one that I use called Printify. And with Printify, I get access to all of their products. We're talking tumblers, we're talking mugs, we're talking t-shirts, we're talking pillows, blankets, all kinds of things. So the cool thing is with this is I don't have to have inventory. All I need to do is know what's selling and create my own version, and then I can offer it on multiple products. And then I would sell it on Etsy. Now, another way to create products is, well, create your own digital products. Maybe you are in the type of niche where there's templates that are being offered for certain things that they're doing within that niche. So there's an example of someone that sells woodworking plans. He also has a YouTube channel. And what he does is he teaches people about woodworking, and then he sells his digital templates or his plans that you can buy on Etsy. And that guy's doing over $400,000 per year, which probably started as a side hustle. Now there's 3 income streams that are built off of building the audience. Now that you have the audience, you will be able to now charge brands that want to get in front of that audience. And this can range from $500 all the way up to $5,000, or I've even seen them as high as $10,000 for you to do a video that's either dedicated to that product or that brand, or to just do a shout out, maybe 30 seconds or a minute, and you're going to be able to charge because you're letting them get in front of your audience. So the side hustle that I like, as you can see, is building an audience, and everything else will fill in with all of these other passive income streams. So that's the exact plan that I've used to start a side hustle and turn it into a passive income machine. Now, I know in the beginning it can seem a little overwhelming of where to start. And that's why I shot this video right here that shares with you 6 other side hustles that I've created that generated $50,000 plus per year, and 2 of them turned into 7-figure brands. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.